Stars Drape top. I discovered this, I believe, last year, and I really like the top. I'm actually gonna put it on for you and show you why in a moment. So this is, again, by Michael Stars. It's a one size fits all, and I'll kind of stretch it out for you so you guys can be the judge about how one size it is. And it's available in a variety of colors, comfortable fabric. Here's the key, guy, comfort, but a little bit more polished. That's my way to go, because I like my basics, but I also want them to be a little bit nicer. Generally pretty thin. This is not a clingy fabric. I feel pretty comfortable in it. It's a drape style. Let me show that to you. It's a drape style, which this is what creates a bit of a dressier appearance. So the draping will make it look a bit dressier, but the fabric will still feel soft and as comfortable as like a pair of PJs, soft PJs, if you will. It is sleeveless, and one of the things to note about this is that the armhole was a bit long. I actually had it taken in. You guys could see right over here. So that's one thing to note. I had it taken in, really simple update, and that was, now it fits me perfectly. And that's really another thing with clothing, is that you do want to get a tailor to fit. Sometimes if the arm length, the pant length, just the underarm, it's such a simple change. It doesn't cost a lot of money, but that really also helps elevate your outfit. You'll see the big difference when things fit your body, when they're not too tight and not too loose. So these are pieces like this one. I love a nice, clean but not overly fitted shirt. Same with the Michael Stars. I'll put it on for you and let you see why I like it. This one I ordered on Nordstrom. I have this in white, I have this in blue, I have it in black. When I find a piece that I just love, I buy it in multiple colors, because that means I'm gonna look in my closet, whatever color I wanna wear that day, and usually for me it's black, white, or blue, usually black, then I will pick it up, put it on, and that's it. I don't have to worry about how is it gonna fit, how does it look on me. It's gonna work, because I like it, and I've tailored it, so it's easy. I love not having to worry about what to wear every day. So let me put this one on for you. I wore this one on my trip to Europe last year. So I'm gonna show you the length first so you can see this. So it's quite long. I don't wear it like this at all. However, I guess if you do like to wear, I could wear it like this if I wanted to, for example, wear leggings or tighter fitting pants, maybe some ponte pants, or if you want a little bit more coverage, then you could wear it more like a tunic length. I'm 5'2", so if you're taller than me, then you might be a little bit on about this length. So, but that's kind of perfect. So I love that. It's really, you can play with it a lot. So that's what it looks like. Let me quickly adjust it. How would I wear this? I usually just, same thing as a t-shirt. Let me just put that down. I usually would wear it, obviously, you could layer it with a t-shirt like this one if you'd like. This is also a great layering tee, but I'm just showing you this so I don't have to go change. So normally I would just kind of do the same thing. I would either just give it I would just kind of bring it in and give it a soft tuck. Now it creates a bit more of a flattering fit. It's not too baggy. It's a little bit more streamlined. Or if the bottoms that I'm wearing happen to be like this one, I have high waist pants, so I might not tuck it in fully, but I could kind of tuck it in technically. So I'll just kind of do that. I would do it a little bit nicer if I could right now, but let me just show you. So if I want to just put that in, then now all of a sudden there's a more feminine appearance. And maybe I'd wear it like this with a pair of heels if I wanted to go out, maybe out on in the evening. That's kind of a look that I could do with it, which is really cool. I'm gonna take that off though, because that's a lot of fabric and it's a bit warm. The other really cool feature with this shirt is that the neckline is really versatile. One thing to note is I really, I try to avoid strapless bras as much as possible. I do have an article for those of you that are like, I can never wear a strapless bra. Trust me, I also thought you couldn't, but you really can. It's all about getting the proper bra fitting. So I will include a link to the importance of getting a bra fitting in the comments below. But normally what I do is I wear my bra crisscross in the back, so that way you can't see the straps. but it's thick enough that you could get away with this with the right bra to hide the strap. So that's also nice. So let's talk about the drape. What can you do with it? You can wear it like this. You can also pull it, and now you have a different look. I love that. It's like a multi-way top without being a multi-way top. So now I'm gonna do a half tuck right now. Now I have a completely different look, one shirt. And you gotta be aware that the back's gonna be showing a little bit more, so be mindful of the bra that you're wearing. But now I have a different shirt. I can put a necklace in, wear a longer necklace depending on what your style is, but I just kind of dressed it up and made it really simple. The other thing you could do if you wanna feel a little bit more flashy for whatever reason that evening, and I've also worn my top like this, is bring it down for a one shoulder look with a tuck. You know, it's nice because it's a bit looser here, so you can get a more spacious, you get a little bit of room. So I like to wear this top when I'm going out to a dinner. So there's a lot of room here, but remember I said this is one size only, and that doesn't really, it's not great when brands do that, but this gives you an idea about the size, about the room that this offers. This is also a great way to wear it if you are going to have it longer, if you want to wear leggings, like the Spanx ones that I showed you guys last week, or the Zara leggings. We have an article on the best leggings as well. We can link to that below. So now I've got a completely different look. So you can also play with where you're putting your tops based on what your bottoms are as well. So I can make that even more angled. I can also tuck it in. So this is cool. I love this. It's easy, it's versatile, it's comfortable. Again, for me, comfort is the most important thing. It is a bit on the pricier side. I think it's about 80-ish, $70, $80, which I was a bit hesitant. But again, I've now stopped really shopping I stopped shopping for deals and buying clothing based on its price. And instead now I really don't hardly go shopping, and I only buy things that I know I will rewear for years. You guys always see me wearing the same clothes, so you know that's true. And that's because if they're comfortable and they're easy and I feel good, that's what matters. The most important thing with a clothing item is that you feel good in it.